Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to quickly add your portfolio link in LinkedIn. So I already have my portfolio link copied into my clipboard. You can do that as well. And now let us navigate to our avatar here, press on this drop down, and then go to view profile. After that, guys, as you can see, this is your profile. Then press on this little pencil. Then you need to scroll down and under contact info, press edit contact info right over here. And in here, as you can see, we have our email and we can also add a website. So click on add a website and in here under website type, choose portfolio and paste in your URL and then save. Okay, the changes have been made. And now as you can see, if anyone goes into my profile, they will see the public profile and URL. Also, they will be able to find the portfolio link. Enjoy guys, if this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.